before I started YouTube, I used to think YouTubers make a whole lot of money. Like when I started watching Dima, Jackie Aina, I used to be like, oh my god, these girls are so made. I started with a goal that when I get monetized, I'm going to be balling. Like I'm going to be living my life. I've arrived. When I get monetized and get one viral videos, all my problems are solved. I have arrived financially. Like I'm going to move out. I'm going to buy house, buy land in Banana Island. Like, and that is exactly why I'm doing this video. So you know before you even come and start YouTube. I just want you to know what you are getting yourself into. This video is not to discourage anyone not to come on YouTube. In fact, the purpose of this channel is to encourage people come on YouTube and see wild opportunities they have on YouTube. But as you are coming on YouTube, I want you to come with the mindset of what you are getting yourself into. So you don't come in on YouTube because you see people screenshotting the amount of dollars, or you see the way YouTubers are living life, then you now think that okay, oh, when I start my channel and I get monetized, immediately I'll become like Mr. Beast and I'll start balling. I just want you to come and understand what you are getting yourself into. So is this what you want to do, or this is something that you just want to observe from the side? So we're going to go into my analytics, then I'll show you everything, how much I made from 1k views 2025.
Okay, I'll be sharing with you guys my AdSense revenue. We're going to use this my monetized channel. Let's just go to we'll use a video that has 1k views. I'm going to use a video from the restream because I did restream. I'm going to use one video like that because that content has 1k views on the dot, so we can see how much YouTube pays for 1k. Okay, so this is 1k, this one is 19. Okay, now let's use this 1k. Okay, so just come to this pencil icon and go to analytics. So I'll be showing you guys. First thing we're going to do, we're just going to come to this reach, and because it was a live stream, so this is how viewers found this live, through shorts, vertical live stream. Then the impressions from this video, 285. Yeah, so external site, content suggesting the live stream, everything is here. The next thing, let's go to audience. So for here we can see people used mobile phone to watch this video, then not subscribe. Guys, a quick favor before we continue this video, guys, if you enjoy my video, please give me a like and a subscribe. I'll be posting videos on this channel every single day, everything I've learned for over 4 years on YouTube, and I'm trying to grow this channel to 10,000 subscribers in record time. Please help me smash the subscribe button so I can meet this target. So please help me do that. Then we have the places they are watching from. You see India, Brazil, Tokyo, United States, Iraq. Yeah, so this one, you see, did they use subtitle? People did not use subtitle. These are the age and gender, so it's 50-50 for the age. We have the population is 25 to 34 years old that watched this video. Now let's go to the main reason why you are here, the revenue. I made $0.004 on this video. This is not in any way to discourage you about YouTube. The RPM, I want you to understand something. See, for this video now, this is how much the advertisers are paying. $1.23 for every 1k views on this video. So you should understand that the RPM of this video is even low. This is how much the advertisers are paying. Then when advertisers pay YouTube will now tell you how much they'll pay you. So no, sorry, this is CPM. The CPM for this video is $1.23. That's the CPM for this video. So for YouTube now is now paying 0.004 for every 1k views. Because this video have 1k views, that's why I made 0.01k. So you can see the difference between how much YouTube is paying us to what the advertisers are paying YouTube. But I just want to let you know that it's not always like this. It's not always like this. There are some videos that you see the RPM are very high. I have some videos that the RPM are very high than this, but I'm just using this one to show you an example. So, and not to discourage you from starting, just to inform you that you can monetize your YouTube channel, and you should just know what you're getting into when you monetize. Just know that it's not like monetization. Immediately you get monetized on YouTube and you join the partner program doesn't mean that all your life problems have been solved. Sometimes you can meet threshold for withdrawal in a month. Sometimes you will not. In fact, when you get monetized, first month, second month, third month, you may not reach monetization. You may not be able to reach the monetization threshold. That's $100. You may not be able to withdraw, but it's still very fine. And one thing I want you to understand is that you should take YouTube seriously. If you plan on making this your full-time job, please take YouTube seriously. Don't be lousy about your channel. Don't be playful about it. The way you take your 9-to-5 job or any other job that you are doing, that you show up every day, try to show up every day for your channel like that. That is when you can see significant amount of growth on your channel. And also you should know that for someone that wants to take YouTube full-time, it is advisable to have more than one channel. For example, now this video that I'm doing, this revenue I'm showing you is from another channel. It is not this GrowWithStella that is getting this revenue. It's another channel. So one thing I want you to understand is that whatever you are doing on YouTube, especially as a creator, when you have monetized one channel, try to open another channel and monetize it again. Because when you want to withdraw your money for the month, if it's time for withdrawal, when you want to withdraw on the 27th, if one channel doesn't have up to $100 to withdraw for that month, and you have multiple channels, and these channels have and this channel, if you combine all the revenue, is up to 100, you can actually withdraw it. That's how the AdSense account work. If you have more than one channel on YouTube, the AdSense is combined together, so all your revenue from all your channels will come together, then you can withdraw. That's the advantage of having more than one channel. So if you have the strength to manage 2 to 3 YouTube channel, by all means, please do it. So the AdSense, the YouTube AdSense work in a way that you can combine all your revenue as far as it reaches $100. You must not miss the threshold for all your channel before you are getting paid. You just need to treat YouTube right and treat it as a job. Show up for YouTube every day. So I think with this video you can understand that the pay of YouTube is not always what it seems from outside. But with this understanding, and if you keep pushing, if you keep putting out content, one day is going to be, you're going to make it big. Let's not forget that there are some people that in a month they make $1,000-$2,000 from their YouTube channel. So it can also be you, but only when you decide to improve on your content and put effort.
As you know, in this channel we don't gatekeep here. We are here to learn and we're here to interact. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let us know in the comment section if you are already monetized on YouTube, and how is your monetization journey going.